Hello and welcome to this ESP version 6 How Do I Do This guide in creating a food and beverage sales item. From the main desktop, select the F&B sales items routines option. Now from the drop down menu, select the sales item file. Now on the sales item file, enter a unique sales item code for your chosen sales item. The code can be up to 8 characters long and must be just alphanumeric. Once you've assigned the code, hit enter or click on accept. Answer yes to the on-screen question. This brings you to the sales item file screen. Firstly, select the group from the group drop-down box to select your desired sales group. This will determine both where your item appears on the point of sale and where the financial revenue is reported to. Then fill in and populate the other fields as you require. Desk is the main description of the item, e.g. the product name. This will appear on all receipts. Key label, the description given to the sales item will appear just on the point of sale screen. Kitchen printing, you can select from here the printer that you wish any orders for this item to print to. The next field that requires filling in is the price. The main price row will select the default retail price for this item. You can also set different prices per sales area, as well as setting the items to be available for sale or not. If ticked on no, the sales item will not appear on the point of sales in that sales area. If the item is set to yes, and then the price is also set to 0, then the main price will be set as default. Alt measure. Now you can enter the price for an alternate measure, e.g. a half a pint or a double. Happy hour pricing, you can set different prices for each sales item to be used during a happy hour time. This is enabled by yourself. These prices can be set higher or lower than your recommended retail price. If the prices are set to 0 during the happy hour, then the main price or the sales area price will be set. Once you have set your prices, you must ensure that you have set the correct VAT code. A is always set to the standard governmental VAT rate. Now, if required, set your alternate measures. Set from the list of descriptions of what the measure is called, e.g. a pint or half pint. These will also appear on the receipt. Then set the decimal for the measure. So if the standard measure is 1 pint, the decimal for half a pint is 0.5 of the standard. And if a single and a double is being used, the double is 2.0 of the standard. Modifiers. We will discuss adding modifiers on another How Do I video. Now move to the Stock Control tab at the top of the screen. On this page, in the first box, in the PLU number column, enter the stock code for the stock item that you wish to link to this sales item. If you do not know the code, click on F1 Stock Num. You can now select the stock item from the list. Use the tree to filter the stock items by group. Select the stock item and then click OK. Hit accept and then click accept again to agree the record. Click accept again and the PLU number field is now populated. Now select the unit of sale and the volume or quantity of that unit that you wish to assign to this sales item. You can add multiple stock items to one sales item to create a recipe for the sales item. Once completed, now return to the Sales Details tab. You will see that the cost field has now been populated with the gross price of the sales item. You have now created your sales item. Click on Exit to save and then click in the red X on the top right hand corner of the screen to close the window. This takes you back to the main ESP desktop. Thank you for watching this ESP version 6 How Do I Do This guide in creating an F&B sales item.